What really decides a trial? Two things. Who's in the jury box, what they're told before deliberating. In Diddy's federal trial, both sides fought over one critical document, the jury instructions, aka the charge sheet. This document tells jurors exactly how to interpret the law, and more importantly, what counts as guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. What the prosecution wants on the charge sheet: conspiracy presumption. They want jurors to assume that once a conspiracy is proven, it continues until someone proves they've withdrawn. That flips the burden onto Diddy to show he wasn't involved after 2019. No presumed motive to lie for immunized witnesses. Prosecutors argue that witnesses who got immunity shouldn't automatically be seen as biased or dishonest. They want the jury to trust these witnesses unless proven otherwise. Simplified RICO definitions. They want jurors to focus on whether Diddy participated in an ongoing enterprise, not whether he committed each alleged act himself. What the defense wants on the charge sheet: skepticism toward immunized witnesses. They argue these witnesses had every reason to lie to save themselves. The defense wants the jury to scrutinize their testimony extra carefully. RICO statute of limitations instruction. If nothing criminal happened with Cassie after September 12, 2019, it's outside the legal window for prosecution. The defense wants that spelled out in plain English. Legal is not moral. Just because something seems wrong doesn't make it a crime. They want the jury reminded that personal feelings don't decide guilt, only the law does. Why it matters: jurors don't just vote on vibes. They're bound by what's in the charge sheet. If the instructions tilt toward emotion, the prosecution wins. If they lean into law and logic, the defense has a shot. So while closing arguments get all the drama and jury selection sets the stage, it's the jury instructions that decide how the story ends.